Robertshaw Thermostat battery problems. Battery issues are common with Robertshaw thermostats. Knowing how to solve these problems can save you time. This section covers the most frequent battery problems and their solutions. Low battery warning. Your Robertshaw thermostat displays a low battery warning when the batteries are weak. Ignoring this warning can lead to more issues. Replace the batteries as soon as you see the warning. The low battery warning usually appears as a blinking light. It might also show up as a message on the display screen. Check your thermostat's manual for specific details. Replacing batteries. Replacing the batteries in your Robertshaw thermostat is simple. Follow these steps to ensure proper replacement. 1. Turn off the thermostat to avoid any issues. 2. Locate the battery compartment. This is usually on the back or bottom. 3. Remove the old batteries carefully. 4. Insert new, high-quality batteries. Match the polarity, plus. 5. Close the battery compartment securely. 6. Turn the thermostat back on and check if it works. Using high-quality batteries ensures your thermostat runs smoothly. Avoid using rechargeable batteries as they may not provide consistent power. Recommended brand: Duracell. AAA Energizer. Always keep spare batteries at home. This way you can replace them immediately when needed.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.